These people are so creative they can create magic with regular objects. For example, this guy has a regular pencil and some paper, and suddenly, who could have thought that videos filmed with a smartphone can blow your mind? But a guy called Kevin Lustgarten can certainly do it. Wait, where are these people disappearing to? Now we know. This is some new level of street art from Howard Lee. If you want a bendy arm like this guy, do what he did. And this man built a 9-foot sculpture of the city of San Francisco. It took 105,387 toothpicks and 37 years. What do normal people do with an aluminum can? But what happens to it in the hands of an artist? Something like this. Can you believe that this tiger was created with a 3D pen? It was a long and painstaking process, but it was worth it. Check out what this girl made from regular metal wire. Look how appetizing this little bell pepper looks. Is that the recipe for the Krabby Patty? And how delicious does this strawberry cake look? And how about these pastries? Although we don't recommend trying these. It's all made of polymer clay. And these guys were so eagerly anticipating the release of Godzilla vs. King Kong, they decided to dedicate a carved wood sculpture to the movie. But this young father took it even further when he decided to make a wooden BMW for his son. Hang on a second, you can actually drive it? We wanted to suggest that you guess which one's a drawing and which one's a sculpture, but the hand ruined the surprise. Admit it, they are eerily similar. Check out how realistic this drawing is. Same goes for this hyper-realistic drawing of an egg. And this guy decided to encase a famous blogger's head in glass. Relax, it's just a portrait, even if it looks like the real deal. He used 20 layers of glass to engrave every detail of the photo with a laser. All that was left to do was to make a wooden case, connect the lighting, and attach a metal frame. Voila! When details make it or break it. And this is how a 3D print is created. Look how awesome this mechanical clock is. Its gears were 3D printed and manually assembled. What are bolts for? Well, one option is to make a combination lock out of them. Or a pocket-sized safe. The power of precision. Who else suddenly wants a gear ring like this one? If you want to boost your appetite, you should dine at this table full of spices, dried fruit, and nuts. And this is a similar idea, but with a bath. If you have 68 spare wristwatches, you can encase them in epoxy resin. You'll never be late again.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
And this is how you carve a watermelon to turn it into a beautiful flower. But how are we supposed to eat it? And this is a deep-fried potato rose, and warning, it's about to get scary. And this motorcycle is made out of paper. Did you also expect it to drive off? These sculptures were printed on a 3D printer, and now they are rotating under strobe lights. The flash is on every time the sculpture turns 137.5 degrees, also known as the golden triangle, and the number of spirals within each sculpture is always a Fibonacci number. Would you like to test your patience? Try making an origami from 684 pieces of paper. And here are a few more examples of paper art. And in this workshop, they can bring Disney characters to life. Recognize Grunkle Stan?
Here we have rock that looks like a face rock. The rock that looks like a face.
Although he looks so realistic, it's impossible to confuse him for anyone else. Doesn't it look like a chocolate Lego? Well, don't believe everything you see. This is just stop-motion editing. Who could have thought that these droplets of paint can turn into such beauty? And this artist is very talented. Just look at that technique. And here's the result. Is this magic? Oh, that's a photographer who knows how to stage a shot. Hey dude, stop eating the girl! Oh, wait, false alarm, it's just a photo. If you put an orange on the white background and light it from the bottom, you get something like this. And this is just a hand and some ice. Admit it, you love watching stuff like that. Did you enjoy this video? Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.